Hi guys, welcome to VLOGMAS Day 10. I really don't know why I do this. I just feel like I need to do something with my hands every time I talk. Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 10. In VLOGMAS Day 9, you would have seen me go to New York City during the holidays, do Fifth Ave, Bryant Park, Rockefeller Center. It was such a great day, so go check out that vlog. I also did a makeup look in VLOGMAS Day 8. I put these lash clusters on yesterday and they're itching a little bit, and I tried to clean them as much as possible, but this is why I usually take them off within the same day or two, because I don't know how anybody goes a whole week with wearing these without it itching, and because I just feel like it's not fully clean even when you clean it so well. Anyway, the point of this video today is that I have errands to run. You guys saw me doing laundry earlier, doing all of that, and now I have to go to FedEx to oh my god, I forgot the package. I have to go back upstairs. I'm having a day. I literally have to mail a package and I left it upstairs. I had to get my cat food, and I'm gonna go, I think, to TJMAXX to get some wrapping paper and some bags just to wrap some stuff. I can't believe I have to go back upstairs. Be right back. I decided to take the lazy route, and I'm gonna take it to the FedEx store near me for my job tomorrow instead. So I'm just gonna go get my cat's food and to TJMAXX. I have to go to the bank, and the bank is like nowhere near here. Also, I'm gonna make enchiladas for dinner, so stay tuned for that. Also, I have something to ask the Hispanic community. Being half Hispanic but growing up with a white mom, I didn't get to learn a lot of like Hispanic cuisine and how to make it authentically and everything like that. What is the difference between a flauta and an enchilada? Is that the fact that with the enchilada you do a sauce, and the flauta, it's like, because it looks like it's wrapped the same, but maybe they're not wrapped the same. I don't know. I probably sound so freaking white right now, but unfortunately, I just didn't have the authenticity of learning how to make authentic meals growing up. So I'm just asking if you guys know, please let me know. I'm trying to learn here. I have salsa verde that I have upstairs, so I don't even need to buy anything, which is amazing. We have cheese. Actually, let me ask my fiance, make sure we have shredded cheese. That's good, because if not, then I'll stop somewhere. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so sorry if my car is making a ton of noises. I have a hybrid car, and sometimes it's just like the engine kicks on and it's so loud. But I got this Hills kitten food, dry food, and then the wet food as well. Fun fact, especially for male cats, they should always have wet food available. Every day they should have wet food. It just helps with their hydration. Not all cats like to drink water. I've gotten lucky with my two boys. They do like to drink water, not constantly, like it's not excessive, because when it's excessive they can have diabetes or something like that. It can lead to, you know, them actually having an issue. And I got little cat grass, and so cute. And the guy in there was like, I picked up a random one and he was like, get the one on the back corner over there. He's like, that one's fresher. And he was so sweet. He also had the guy in front of me I already have my seatbelt on. I am just not okay today. He had the guy in front of me put his stuff on the conveyor belt so that I could put my stuff down, and it was just so sweet. It really wasn't that heavy, but I love when people are just so nice and gracious. He's such a sweet guy. But anyway, I just got out of PetSmart. I'm on my way to TJMAXX, and I think I'm gonna have to run into Walmart. I think think I told you guys maybe on a vlog about an experience I had at Walmart that was not great, but I had an experience that really wasn't so great a few weeks ago at Walmart, and I'm like scared to go back. Not scared, but it's just awkward when you like have a confrontation with someone, when you feel like literally you don't understand like what went wrong in the situation and why they like this. Long story short, this lady was just really not nice to me, and it really caught me off guard, and I just like made a mistake. I didn't hear that she was talking to me, and all of a sudden she's like yelling at me, and I was just like, whoa, like where did that come from? And things like that really catch me off guard, because I already have anxiety in public, being like in an open space like that, like so many people around. I think she thought I was like trying to steal or something. I'm like, I know you deal with the general public just as I do, and I know she doesn't know that I deal with the general public, but at the end of the day, I don't know, it just made me so uncomfortable, and I really don't like having confrontation with people like that. So anyway, long story short, I don't want to go in there. I'm going to be going in there because I am a big girl, and I will be okay. I'll let you guys know when I get to TJMAXX. Okay, I just got to TJMAXX, and let it be known that one day, Poppy will sponsor me. I saw a creator have this entire PR package. It was like a giant soda, it looked like, huge. It looked like a mini refrigerator. It was huge, filled with Poppy. And when I say that's gonna be me one day, if I get nothing else out of this career, and I just get Poppies, I will be so happy if I never have to pay for Poppy a day in my life ever again. That is just one of those things. I want it forever. I should have put it in a little tumbler cup so I can bring it in there. I just don't always love bringing like a can inside somewhere. I don't know. I just don't like it, but I'm gonna hopefully get some nice wrapping paper, maybe a couple of little bags. You know those little gift box things that you put the clothing or something in, and then you wrap that? I also have to grab tape, but I want to get some of those gift boxes as well. Also, I really have to stop acting like it's 60 degrees out still and only wearing like a hoodie because I'm cold. I just don't like the extra layers when I'm going into a store. I hate it. Hi guys, it is the next day. I just worked a 10-hour shift and I had 12 clients. I am tired, but I have a lot to do tonight. First, I have to wash my makeup brushes because I have 4 makeup clients this weekend, and that's very tedious because I do a double wash. I do one usually with like an oil-based soap, like a Dawn dish detergent or something like that, to get all the oil and everything, all the product out. And then I go in with a Dove antibacterial soap, so they're extra clean. Then I'm gonna unload the dishwasher, put away everything from last night. Then I'm gonna do the dishes that are in the sink. Then I have to cook dinner. I'm gonna do a grilled cheese, and then I have a soup that I bought from ShopRite the other day, a tomato basil. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. And exciting news, I got an order from Alaska today for my shop. She ordered 2 gnome earrings, which are so cute. And with that being said, I also have a bookmark launch that by the time this video is out, it will be released. I made all the designs last week. I talked about it a little bit in one of my VLOGMAS videos a few days ago. I made 6 new bookmarks, and then 2 of the bookmarks have 3 different color options. They'll be $5 each and ready to ship within 3 to 5 days. So don't miss out on the bookmark. And if you guys want to shop any others, I have them up in my shop right now. I also have to shower and probably wash and blow dry my hair, which I don't think I have the time to do all this tonight. It's already like 6:30, but I'm gonna make it happen. I wanna be in bed by like 10:30 per se, so I definitely have to get started. I think I could do it all tonight. But the first thing I'm gonna do is wash the makeup brushes. my towels. When I was going to the city, I was getting ready, so I'm just gonna use this blow dryer. I literally have a beautiful Dyson hair dryer, and I choose to use my mini Chi. I'm gonna put this heat protectant. I really don't go crazy with product only because my hair gets greasy. Also, I need to take these tape-ins out, but I kind of want to wait till Christmas. Blown side. Obviously not perfect, but I just need it dry, and then I'll style it either tomorrow or the next day. I'm gonna show a clip of my bookmarks that are finished before the video ends, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. Day 12 will be a list of what I want for Christmas. See you guys then. Bye.